Full pain in her vagina, so she went to consult a gynecologist. You will be shocked when you see what he found. The story comes from a famous blogger, Michelle Barrow. She apparently learned this from one of her readers. She said that she felt pain in the abdominal area, so she went to see her gynecologist. She couldn't even think or suspect that her cats had something to do with this situation. Here's what the gynecologist said when he saw what's the real problem. The thing we found between her legs was not an old tampon or a sanitary napkin, it was a hairball. Michelle didn't understand anything. She thought it was her own hair, but she was wrong. The hair was from her cats. So are you guessing how the hairball ended up in Michelle's body? Well, the answer is quite simple and very strange at the same time. Michelle shares her bed with her boyfriend and her cats as well, and they left hairballs on her sheets. So during the sexual act, the hairball slipped in her vagina. Cats, yes, they are sweet, but they also have lots of hair. So try not to share your bed and sheets with your cats and dogs. And make sure you share this article with your friends and family who have cats and dogs. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
The gynecologist won't tell you about this because you can't buy it. Destroys fungi, bacteria and odor. The best thing is that you've got it at home. Hey ladies, how are you today? According to the latest statistics, the experts say that many women around the world suffer from this health problem, vaginitis. Well, this means that you should be very careful and don't ignore these common symptoms: redness, genital itching, swelling of the mucous membranes, abdominal pain, foul-smelling secretion. And now I would like to ask you a simple question: do you know what's vaginitis? Here's what you need to know. Vaginitis is an inflammation of the lining of the vagina caused by pathogenic bacteria or fungi. This disease affects about a third of women of childbearing age. So in order to understand the cause of vaginitis, it's extremely important for you to remember that the vagina is home to many different microorganisms, beneficial and pathogenic. Their balance depends on the age, lifestyle and function of the woman's ovaries. Note, the experts say that all these things can affect the content of glycogen in the vaginal wall, which is converted into high concentration of lactic acid, pH 4 to 4.5, and prevent the spread of bad bacteria. An alkaline environment in the vagina can cause many different diseases. And if you use antibiotics to treat this health problem, you should know that it can exacerbate the problem and it can cause a spread of fungal infections. Drugs and other chemicals can cause allergic reactions and excessive dryness. Don't worry, because today is your lucky day. And now you probably ask yourself, why? Well, that's easy to answer, because there are natural remedies that can help you with this problem, and in this article we're going to show you the most effective ones. These home remedies can normalize the microflora of the vagina and eliminate the unwanted signs of vaginitis. Important: before starting treatment, however, you need to do some tests and find out what caused the disease, bacteria or yeast. This homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Home remedy for vaginitis. 1. Vinegar. It's very simple. You just have to mix 2 tablespoons 9% acidity vinegar with 4 cups of boiling water. Rinse the external parts of your genitalia with this solution. Repeat this process every day until the unpleasant symptoms disappear. 2. Chamomile tea. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to bring 4 cups of water to a boil and add 2 tablespoons dried chamomile flowers and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse and wash with this potion, taking into account the severity of the disease. Note: make sure you use this method until the microflora is normalized. 3. Lemon juice. You should definitely try this lemon juice remedy. It's very simple. Just dissolve 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into 4 cups of lukewarm water. Douche with this mixture. And you should also know that the experts say that in order to prevent further vaginal infections, eat dairy products, use underwear made of natural fabrics, and for intimate hygiene, use gentle products containing lactic acid. And don't forget, it's also very important that your partner takes good care of his personal hygiene, especially before intercourse, to minimize introduction of foreign bacteria into the vagina. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.